So this is how to buy Litecoin on Ndax. Once you guys open up Ndax, I want you to go to the bottom left and select the trade icon. Once you're here under markets, if you just were to scroll down a little bit, you can come across Litecoin or ticker symbol LTC. If you don't see it, you can just scroll to the top to where it says markets, select on the search icon, and then start typing in Litecoin. Select it, then once you're on the Litecoin page, go to the bottom and press buy. Now once you're here, make sure that buy is selected. So if it says sell, it'll be red. If it says buy, it'll be green. Below that, you can choose your order type. So if I were to press the drop down here, you can choose your order type for this example. I would just keep it with markets. Then below that, you can do this order in regards to quantity by pressing the plus arrow, or below that where it says order value, you can press the plus icon as well. And whatever your quantity may be, you can go ahead and do that. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, you can go to where it says buy Litecoin right here. That'll be highlighted, select it, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Litecoin here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.